Hi there, this is Linda from Let's Talk Prepping. And so many people tell me that they don't have the money to prep, it's too hard to prep, they don't know what to buy, they don't know what to do. So I thought I would just show you it isn't that hard and it isn't that expensive. You can prep on very little money. So what I want to do is check out the sales flyer from this week. Okay, I just wanted to show you the latest sales flyer from Big Y, and this is for Thanksgiving. This is November 20th, 2021. And notice that you can get 4 cans of Green Giant vegetables for $3 with the coupon. Now, you might do better at a dollar store, but just for our purposes, we're just going to look at what's in this flyer. Now, up here, 5 for $5 of these frozen peas, I would use that and dehydrate them. I haven't got my dehydrator yet, but as soon as I do, that's what I'm going to be doing. So that's going to be my first purchase. Then over here, another page of the flyer, we have spices for 33% off. And here's pumpkin puree for 2 for $3, so I would pick that up. And down here is 5 pounds of flour, $2.99, or 5 pounds of sugar, it says. Let me see if I guess you can't really read that real well. 5 pounds of sugar for the same price. So you could get sugar and you can get flour and you can get the pumpkin. Then here's another page. And notice all the things they have here. Campbell's soup, 4 for $5. Cranberry sauce, 2 for $3. You can get rice-a-roni. You could get potatoes, instant potatoes. And then, of course, you can put them into a mason jar and vacuum seal them. Peanut butter, $2.99. That's a good deal. So you can see here that we can pick up some pretty good things for a week if we're just using these sales and nothing else. And I'd like to go through and show you how much all of this would cost. The cranberry sauce, 2 for $3. The soup, 4 for $5. Peanut butter, $2.69. The pumpkin puree, 2 for $3. Flour, $2.99. Vegetables, 4 for $3. So you're going to get 14 things for only $19.68. That's less than $20. Try to find that extra $20. Even if you're going to say, I can only spend an extra $20 in a month, that still gives you 14 things for $20. Now, again, we didn't get the tuna, and we didn't get anything that's has some good protein, except maybe peanut butter, but we didn't get the meat. But that'll go on sale most likely in the next week or the week after. And again, run over to the dollar store and pick some of these things up. So check out the dollar store and, of course, Walmart. And I've never gone to Aldi's. Aldi's is supposed to be pretty good. And you can get things fairly cheap and start your stocking up and start prepping now. And thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe. Please comment on the video. Comment on anything you have to tell us on how you're doing prepping, where we could go to get cheaper things. If there's a place online that you really like, let us know in the comments below. And like the video and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching.